First of all, yeah.
For a
First of all,
for a man, a messy ass man and children.
First of all, Azar.
What?
Yelling doesn't mean you're winning an argument. It's a sign of low intelligence. You can lower your voice and speak to me. I'm sitting right here. I can hear you.
And you're yelling all the time.
When you yell, then when I yell, you repeat the same thing. I just repeated to you because right now I caught you with your hand in the fish tank.
But you're always yelling. I will clip.
Listen to me.
Right here. I can't wait to clip this.
Okay, well,
I don't yell.
I just want you to understand that yelling doesn't mean you're winning an argument.
I never
It's just a sign of frustration and the inability to articulate in a respectful way and make a valid point.
Tell that to yourself.
Okay, I'm not yelling.
But not in this moment.
Your point is invalid, and you sound like the rest of these unwedded women talking about the modern day women right there. I'm gonna go to work like you. Do you want me to cook, clean?
She gotta go.